Hi, today I'm for the Galaxy M04 and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So I'll do this with the help of the Decybolometer, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the Decybolometer reaches the highest volume of our device speaker, then this value on the display will change. So let's start. So as we can see, our device reached 108.3 decibels. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.